This is Kaustup. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw Level 0 diagram using Microsoft Visio. To start, just double click on the Visio icon. In this, select Data Flow Diagram, More Shapes, Software and Database, and select Gain Sarsan option. Then you will see 4 options: Process, Interface, Data Store, and Data Flow. I'll be taking the example of online shopping system. So let's draw interface for it. The first one is buyers, second fashionistas, third one is products. Let's add a database. So I have given name online shopping database. It's not visible, so I will change the name of font, color of the font. In the home tab, you can see here font color. Just select the required element and choose the color which you want. Here I'm clicking black. I will reposition the element. Let me add process. So first process I will add register. Here we need to give number to the process. Second is login. Third process is search product. Fourth one, let it be add to cart. Let's make fifth one as add to database. Sixth one as alter product, and seventh one will be logout. Now let's change the color of this process in order to make it visually appealing. So I will make the color to be light orange. Buyers and fashionista, these are living objects. I will give them green color. For products, since it is non-living, I will give a different color. I will make it, yeah. Let's change the color of font of all elements to black. And now we have our basic elements ready. Now we need to add data flow. So first we will say buyer, he will register, and when registering there will be some information which will be sent. So for that we will add a legend. So go to the insert tab, select text box, and say suppose buyer is going to send profile info while registering. Let's change it. Yeah. And here we will update it in our data flow. And register process will send this info to database. Again, here we will say it is information 1, which is being sent. In response, our system will say whether it has been able to save that profile info or not. So let's say it sends back status info. So status info will have various kind of info, like whether person was able to register or not, person was able to log in or not, that kind of info. So this info will be returned which will be forwarded to the user whether he is able to successfully create profile or not, like this. Also, user should be able to log in once the profile is created. So here user will send its login info, which is nothing but username and password. So 3. This one will be matched with the info which we have in the database. And in response, system will send status which again will be forwarded to the user, in this case buyer. Buyer can also search product, for which it will send keywords. So let's make it as a keyword. So we are adding that reference here. And this will be sent to database to see whether we have that product or not. And in response, from database we will get product info. So there will be a data flow from this to this, which will be 5, and this info will be sent to buyer. User can also add product to cart. In this case it will send product info. In info will be sent to database. Then we have product. So product can add product to database. So it will send product info and it will go to the database. Buyer can log out too. Now the remaining interface is Fashionista. Fashionista can alter the product, for which it will send the product info. And it might get the status, that is whether it was successfully updated or not. So basically it will be a status info. So we'll mark it as 2. Also, Fashionista can register. So he will send the profile info and it will also get back the status, whether profile was created or not. It can log in. It will send its username, password, and it will get the status back, saying whether it was able to log in or not. And of course it can log out. So this is a very basic level 0 diagram. We have covered the elements which will be required for you to create a fully developed diagram. A full developed diagram will be something like this. So here you can see there is a database, there are a number of processes, interfaces. Once the diagram is created, you can save it by using File menu, Save. Just select folder you wish to save and give some name like Level 0. And you can also export it in PNG, JPEG file format by using this export functionality. Thanks for watching.